I take a look around and I see that I'm getting by, and I hold on.
Hold on,
You can make it.
you can make it.
Hold on.
Hold on,
Everything.
everything will be alright. Some people like to worry, some people like to hide, some people like to run away from the pain inside. Now it's your business, do whatever you wanna do. But if it don't work out, here's what you ought to do. Now just hold on. Change is coming.